back here, you almost go straight up and down. And what that does is it leaves this white right there and it gives you a facelift. Do you see what I mean? Now you can come forward and round it out. And I do that because I have chipmunk cheeks right here. And so it just kind of disguises it a little bit. Just a little bit. Do you see the difference there and there? Just a little bit. Again, almost straight up and down back here. Stay away from the area. Yeah, I know you want to reinforce it, but you don't. Stay above it. And then you can come in a little bit. And then, of course, do the temple area. Right across at the hairline and the temple area. Right under the nose. And blow out so it doesn't get up your nose. There. And always check that later because I do that and then sometimes I'll leave and I have like a little orange Oompa Loompa nose. Because so many of these are orange. This is not orange. This is a true rosy brown. I'm going underneath. See how that gives it a shadow? It just makes it look a little less fatty. A little less like the skin's dropping too. As you age, your skin lets go here unless you have a facelift. I've got no problem if you want to have a facelift there. It's not fun to have your skin drop. But sometimes you just got to start accepting it, and I'll tell you why. Because eventually everything drops. I mean, what all are you going to do? There's some people who have the money and they spend thousands on injections and surgeries, and good for them if they can afford it, and they feel that it is what they want to do with their money. That won't be me, probably. I don't know. If this drops bad enough, and if I lost weight and I dropped bad enough, I might. This is Bliss by Chantecaille. It's the Butterfly, Save the Butterfly series. Smile and round it out and stay on the top part. In the front and the top. Don't go down. Front, top. Front, top. And I also do a little bit right at the bridge of the nose. If I'm going to do up here, see how you got the dark back here? Be in front of it and below it. And then right on the ball of the chin like that. And blend on down these two jowls. Now, if you feel like that's too much, then you can always go back with your makeup, your clean makeup foundation brush, and just kind of go from the center out, and that just kind of blends out any lines. Takes off a little bit. If you overdid it a little bit. There. And that's my completed look, y'all. Now I got to go. I love y'all very much. I have no idea where we are on the film. But anyway, I hope y'all are enjoying my channel. Please like and subscribe. And also, please tell people about my channel. I would like to grow it. And you have to have a certain amount of growth or YouTube doesn't let you stay on. So, y'all help me stay on. Tell your friends. Tell your family. Tell everybody. Even if they don't want to watch them all, tell them to subscribe. So you don't got to watch it all the time. And the best thing to do if you want to make sure that you see my videos when they come up is there's a little bell. And you click on the bell and it notifies you Beth Buchanan has uploaded a video. And then you can choose, am I in the mood for Beth today or not? Love you guys!